niggas out here, they be some haters. Haters, man. It's sick out on these streets trying to stay up on your feet. Everybody got a cater.
Everybody got a cater.
Don't leave the house without your stapler. 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 I wanna come home, so I don't leave my home. With my stapler, Rollo thump, or pistol crown. Cause they'll try to dumb you where I'm at and where I'm from. Run up on you, walk up to you with a drum. Most of the time over something small and hella dumb. Like saying some stupid shit when you're drunk. You can plot your own demise by what come from your tongue. Don't get killed behind a bitch cause you hella sprung. I was raised around older folks that lived a fast pace. Went to Gamed Up University where they lace to unlace. Don't make me whip out on the nigga, stay tough. They don't play by the rules no more, not even the people that made them up. Ain't no refunds or no rebate. They'll put a hole in your face like a milk crate. Ain't no talking no more, these niggas don't debate. They appear to be real, but they really finake. You better have a bulletproof vest, cause these niggas out here, they be some haters. Haters, man. It's sick out on these streets trying to stay up on your feet. Everybody got a cater.
Everybody got a cater.
Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler.
My first gun was a 32 special. 6-shooter, don't fuck with my cash flow. Cause my money don't stop. Remember when they first came with Glocks? 17 shots. I got him. With all them bullets, you better pop him. Cause them shit starters, you gotta stop him. Shoot him in his ass with a shotgun. Those days are long and gone. Niggas blast now, it goes on and on. It's way too real when you're banging something. Pistol in his pocket, big thing in the trunk. The bay wasn't ever about blue and red, but you still might end up dead, shot in the head. That's how they caught Michael. They sprayed him up with that assault rifle.
You better have a bulletproof vest, cause these niggas out here, they be some haters. Haters, man. It's sick out on these streets trying to stay up on your feet. Everybody got a cater.
Everybody got a cater.
Don't leave the house without your stapler. 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 Leaving the house unarmed. It's like leaving an arm. I was taught that way ever since the day that I was born. Whole shit is at an all-time high, contagious like a yawn. After a funeral, 2 months is the extent of which they mourn. He got his hood on his neck and his back is facing fists. But his hood turned they back, may he rest in piss. He's a goner no longer, he's been dismissed. Call the coroner a donor, cancel Christmas. Analyzing the ways of the world, I come to find out. It's real when the preacher preaching the missionary shout. Out here they be playing for keep, especially in a drought. Put a tag on his feet for some bread, a certain amount. It's gruesome out here. It's far from gorgeous. Christians, Scientologists, agnostics, Mormons. I'ma keep it real till I meet my maker. Won't leave the house without my stapler. You better have a bulletproof vest, cause these niggas out here, they be some haters. Haters, man. It's sick out on these streets trying to stay up on your feet. Everybody got a cater.
Everybody got a cater.
Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler. Don't leave the house without your stapler.